How to fix an update is required to use cellular data on this iPhone iOS 16. Let's get right into the tutorial. Launch the Settings application on your device, tap on Cellular and then on Carrier Services and check if Carrier Settings requires any update. Go back and now tap on General and then on Software Update and see if there is any new iOS update. And if there is an update, then go ahead and update your device further. Go back and now toggle on the button for airplane mode. Wait for a minimum of 60 seconds before toggling it off again. Next solution is if your iPhone requires physical SIM card, then eject your SIM card and reinsert it again. Go to Settings again and tap on General. Now scroll down and tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone, then on Reset and then on Reset Network Settings. Enter your passcode and reset network settings. Doing this will reset all network settings and will return them to factory defaults, meaning all your Wi-Fi network and passwords, APN and VPN settings, and cellular settings will be returned to factory default. If it is still not fixed, tap on Transfer or Reset iPhone again, then on Reset and then on Reset All Settings. Enter your passcode and reset all settings. Doing this will reset all settings, nevertheless, none of your data or media will be deleted. In Settings, tap on Wi-Fi and make sure you are connected to a proper working internet connection. Ensure your internet connection is good. If none of these options seem to work, factory reset your iPhone. To do that, tap on General and then on Transfer or Reset iPhone. You will see the option for Erase all content and settings. Tap on that and then on Continue. Erase all content and settings and your device should have been fixed by now. If you find this tutorial helpful, do subscribe to our channel. Thank you for staying with us until the end.